A journey of thousands miles begins with a single step. So hey guys, welcome to my channel E1 English with me. My name is Raju and today we will learn more than 10 phrases that will help you to brush up your spoken English. So let's move towards our video. So first one is against a rainy day. That means in preparation for hard days. For example, it's wise to keep some money against a rainy day. And the second one is at the 11th hours. That means at the very last moment. For example, thieves were about to steal all jewelry from the jeweler's shop, but the police came at the 11 hours. And the third one is add fuel to the fire. That means to make matter worse. For example, Sonu added fuel to the fire by abusing his friend who was already angry with his brother. And the fourth one is a snake in the grass. That means a cheater. A person cannot be trusted. For example, we cannot trust on his support. He may be a snake in the grass. And the fifth one is a white elephant. That means some position involving more expenditure than income. For example, a luxury car is a white elephant for an ordinary person. And the sixth one is a fool's paradise. That means imaginary happiness. For example, if you think that the politician may always help you, you are in fool's paradise. And the next one is by and by. That means gradually. For example, by and by he will learn how to speak English fluently. And next one is beats about the bush. That means to come indirectly to the point. For example, he is one who always beats about the beats about the bush. And the next one is a horse laugh. That means unmeaning laugh. For example, she tends to a horse laugh on a joke. So I hope you must enjoy this video and you learn something new from this video. So keep learning, stay blessed, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.